What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG YouTube channel, and we just hit 20,000 subscribers yesterday, guys. I am super pumped, and I just wanted to take a minute in this video to thank you guys, especially you all that have been around a long time, to welcome those of you that are new. A lot of you guys have just found my channel over the last 6 to 8 months from some of the KTM new model news and rumors videos. Anyway, welcome. I appreciate all of y'all here. Man, I thought I might be able to do this one day, but I knew it was going to be a long grind, and didn't really expect it to happen this soon. As you guys know, this channel is a part-time deal for me. But so, quick history, guys. I started really doing regular uploads back in 2017, early 2017, and basically, I was doing a lot of work in the garage, and doing a lot of tech work on the side back then. And I thought, man, there's so many instances where I've ran into issues working in the garage, forgot where a part went, how something went together, how it came apart, and I would look up things on YouTube and find out, all I would need to see is a piece here, a piece there, and I'd remember how it went together, you know what I mean? So I thought, man, if I'm gonna be out here in the garage anyway, working on stuff, I'm going to film what I'm doing, so it might help some of these people who get in the same predicament as me. Who knows, could make a little extra cash on the side. So I started doing that, and people were watching them. A lot of people would find those via search results, but it didn't build a real community of return viewers, because these videos were extremely specific. How to put a clutch in a Honda CR85, or how to rebuild this fork or that fork. And so all my videos were search based and not community based. So that was a little bit of a bummer, but the everything went on, and did that for about a year, and then I started uploading ride videos. And I really just uploaded the ride videos just to have my rides documented for me, show family, friends, show my son one day, who wasn't even around at this point yet. But people started watching those ride videos, and they didn't set the world on fire, but enough people started watching them that I could see the watch time, subscriber, view metrics going up. So I kept uploading them, and I tried to hit as many new and different tracks as I could. And now there's several tracks that you type in on search results, and my videos come up first. And yeah, guys, I'm not any kind of speed demon or pro on the bike, but I'm good enough to where I usually do all or 99% of the obstacles on a track. So I think the regular guy can get some real benefit, maybe watching some of my videos about tracks they haven't been to and stuff like that. So I was watching those, or I was uploading those, and it was a grind, guys. I watched views and watch time and everything go up, and then I started hitting demos, testing new bikes, and something amazing happened for my channel, and that was COVID. So May 2020, I guess it was, COVID happened, and I had just uploaded a bunch of demo videos to the channel, and one of my KTM 450 SXF test drive videos went, for me at the time, I considered it viral. It's sitting at maybe 300,000 views now, but it got 20 or 30,000 views in a single day, which was incredible for me, and it gave me a bunch of subscribers, and my metrics were off the chart in May of 2020. And it's because one, that video hit the algorithm perfectly, and two, everybody, that was the 2 weeks to slow the spread, 2 weeks to flatten the curve, where everybody was at home watching YouTube. So all YouTubers did fantastic those couple weeks in May of that year. So yeah, saw pretty good growth, and then kind of plateaued for a year or so. I was really bummed out, and I knew I needed to bring something different to the channel. And so I started focusing more on KTM news and off-road news, Sherco, Beta, bike walk around, stuff like that. And I've seen an awesome response to that. Seems like a lot of you guys are interested in that. So I'm offering that as much as I can, trying to keep everybody updated on the off-road scene, the moto scene, the new models, the news from the brands. I'm going to continue to do that, and I'm also going to continue to upload ride videos, because obviously that's what got me into all this in the first place. That's what I love to do. I will upload some how-tos and some repair videos now and then, but a lot of those will go over to some other channels as well. I also have the RTI Power Sports channel, where I upload all the races from the Tri-State Arena Cross series. I also upload some other ride footage over there, so that's kind of a side channel on the side. I have a couple other channels too, but probably nothing you guys would be interested in. But so yeah, that's a quick history of how we got here. We're sitting at over 20,000 now. We did you know, 300 and almost 400,000. I think we did hit 400,000 views these last 2 months, so that's awesome. I'm happy with that. If we never grow another subscriber or view, and I keep the community I've got, I will be happy. Which brings me to the next point, which is the race team. YouTube opened memberships, so I thought, you know, I'd had enough people that have left comments, you know, hey, how can I support you? How can I go to the extra step to thank you for this channel? So I thought, well, you know, I don't have a bunch of people beating down my door to, you know, donate money, but if I have just a few guys that want some extra perks, then why not? So I opened up the channel memberships, and you can get like a verified check mark beside your name in the comments, and those check marks change colors the longer that you're a member, and there's a few extra perks you get, and I will make time out of my day, you know, to talk moto with you or whatever, because I appreciate you guys. So huge thanks to the race team. You guys mean the world to me, and yeah, I'm not going to keep you any longer, but I just wanted to say thanks and let you know that let's keep this going. If you do want to help me out, you can buy your dirt bike parts from AOMC.mx using the link in my description, or the link on my TikTok, and it's in the bio. And you can use coupon code MXGuru. That's MX Guru with no spaces, no the, and that'll save you 10% site-wide at AOMC.mx, and help support my channel as well. So besides that, it's just the normal YouTube stuff. Red subscribe button, bell, blue join button if you're into that sort of thing. And yeah, guys, I don't know, if you see this video, leave some comments down below, and tell me what you'd like to see more of. I've dropped some polls on this, and it seems to be pretty even between off-road, moto, news, repairs and how-to, stuff like that. I know you guys aren't big into dual sports, and you're not big into pit bikes. I kind of like those things, so I'll still upload them from time to time, but I won't bombard you with that stuff. So all right, guys, thanks so much. 20K. See you in the next one.